Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Prius steering wheel. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the 12-volt battery to prevent any accidental airbag deployment. Next, gather your essential tools, such as a Torx bit set and a non-marring trim removal tool. Understanding the steering wheel's design and where the airbag is secured is crucial before you begin. Once the battery is disconnected, locate the two small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into each hole, one at a time. You'll need to push inward to release the internal spring clips holding the airbag module. After both sides are released, gently pull the airbag module straight out from the steering wheel assembly. With the airbag module partially removed, you'll see the electrical connections. Carefully unplug the yellow airbag connector from the back of the module. This is a critical safety step. Next, disconnect the horn wire, which usually has a simple push-tab connector. Once all wires are free, place the airbag module face up in a secure, cool, and dry location, away from direct sunlight or heat. Now that the airbag is safely stored, you can access the main steering wheel components. Use a socket wrench to remove the large center bolt that holds the steering wheel to the steering column. Before removal, it's wise to mark the wheel's position relative to the shaft for accurate reinstallation. Then, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft to fully access internal wiring or switches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.